What's up, everybody? Welcome back.
What's up, funny animals and tacos? Not really tacos, but like tacos.
Bro, is he okay?
The rabbit.
Yeah, he was eating.
Does he not get food on
He
a
was
daily
eating
basis?
He was eating the sign.
That says, "Do not feed any
He's
rabbits."
eating the sign that says "Do not feed." But clearly, my man is malnourished. Okay, he needs some food in his life.
Oh my god, that's just adorable. But like, why would you have like? That makes me want to give the rabbit food.
Oh, is this man? How did they teach him to do that?
How did they put the skirt on him without him like?
Oh, fucking what?
He fell off of it.
Oh my gosh, she gave him a kiss. Oh my gosh, she looks so mad about it though.
He's like,
oh,
he's
oh my gosh, dude, this man looks like he's like, oh my gosh, what is he training for? What? Stop, what are they, why? Oh my gosh, he's like, no work. No, give me love. It's the kitty cat. He's on the piano.
He's just looking in those.
He's like, my existence is this piano. I am.
Let me sleep, man. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That is cute.
You can't get it off. Oh. Wow, bro. When you're one job. This man had one job.
I'm just in awe
What?
of that.
What was the... Oh, he stole his food! And then it all fell out.
Oh my god, it looks like Rusty.
Oh my gosh. Oh. I can't believe he took out the plan. It's like a good move.
Do you... Seamus, do you want a treat? Seamus.
What?
Oh my gosh. Don't hold me hostage. I need my treat.
He's just like wiggling.
Get
Get
out
out of there.
What? Oh my god.
When your dog wants to.
Oh my gosh, dude. That was a bird too. He has wings.
It's a ferret.
Oh, dude, it's a ferret? Okay, then it's even more sad.
He really tried. He really tried.
Oh, and then he fell in the trash.
Yeah, he threw himself away.
Dude, the amount of depression that ferret, or just trauma.
That ferret has.
feels so bad. Then the guy just fucking laughs at him. Dude, what is this horse on? Like, what does he want?
He's laughing.
There's a little turtle. No, he's like, run away. No, he found me. Oh. I want to see how this plays out, actually. Oh. Oh. That's quality bonding right there. Oh, he's gonna eat it. Oh no. Oh.
Oh, what the?
That scared
It
me.
made a noise.
Oh no, we can't get it through.
No, he's opened the door.
Oh my gosh. All of his might.
You got it!
Dude, this man hanging out the window.
That's adorable.
Just satisfied with life.
Oh my god, he's like, you got the cat. You got the cat.
Oh my
Knocks
god.
everything down, yeah. Tree and all.
Is that a little goat?
Yeah.
Look at him. So cute. Look at him dancing.
He pulled his pants down. That's
That's
cute.
a little cutie right there.
That's a dog. No problem.
Oh my gosh, you're just surprising someone. Look at him. Oh, he's so happy. That's good. Oh.
Back is like, no, return it.
He's like, nah, back at the orphanage, I wanted a yellow lab.
I wanted the purple dog. That's
This man is
a
living his
massage.
best life. Like
like
no
that's,
other massage chair for cat right there. That is what that is. If you're seeing that, buy that for your cat. They will love you more than they already love you.
Oh my god, the other one's like, I'm not
Oh
gonna
my
try it.
gosh.
Oh my god, he's trying to eat the hose.
He's like, no, it's a snake.
He's trying to eat the hose.
He's like, no, it's a snake. Get away. Oh, beast. Water dragon. Dude,
He just
raccoons are so
like
smart.
wait.
Oh my gosh. What? Okay, what was that, dude? Like, it's kind of left us on a cliffhanger.
I don't know, but I had to
Okay.
take out my
Get the
earbud
paper.
because it just wasn't very helpful.
Get,
Yes.
get the paper. Nice. Oh my gosh, he just. Oh my gosh, he just. He's gonna stalk her for eternity, for the rest of her life. For the rest of her life. Okay?
Probably be a pillow, actually.
This.
That is like adorable. Is there like a hole in the
Oh!
It is.
No! Oh, poor little bug.
I was gonna say is that like a hole in the ground and you fell through it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, I used to have a dog like that. Okay,
Aw.
his name was Toto, but also he survived getting ran over twice.
Yeah.
But then he died, but we can't do that. The rest of the video.
Honey? This is the girl.
Oh.
I want a dog with tricks. Okay, see, here's the reflection.
Oh my gosh, dude,
Oh
let's go.
my god, the guy
This
just
man.
opened the door.
What is he doing?
Oh,
Did he just throw the head in? Oh.
at the dog.
Oh my gosh, a little dog. No, this is how they get left behind, dude. You ever find them on the streets? It's so sad. Look at him, he can't leave. Oh, yes.
His mama made no one.
No one left behind. And then the
Yeah,
little
he
dog
chose
goes.
the slide. Yeah, that's
This
the best
man
way.
clearly got all the brain cells. Oh, he has a little. Oh, you smell his foot. Oh, she tried to save him.
That
Oh my, look at
was
his
trying
lips.
to make out with the man.
Oh, and he's like, nah, bro, why are you doing that? Look at his tongue. Oh, yeah, buddy.
I'll move my tongue over for you.
Oh, just attacking random people with frisbees now. That seems.
That's immaculate.
What is he doing? Oh no, he fell with the ball.
No, but did you see his arm?
What?
It was like this.
Huh? How was it?
Like this.
Was it broken?
Look. It's like he had a deformed paw, so he couldn't put like any. It's like he had like one was shorter than the other three. You're so cute.
Oh my gosh, dude, their dog has eyebrows. Like those are some mad. Either they drew
That
those
reminds
on.
me of Rocky. Like Rocky's got some
Dude.
eyebrows like that, except his are blonde.
Why
and he's
did?
black.
Why does man look like he's mad that the cat's getting more attention? Like he looks
He's
like he's like Sharon. I told you not to buy the cat. We told you this was gonna happen, Sharon. This isn't right. This isn't right. You should be gone. He poops in the house. Come on. It's only what you guys do.
You wanna be doing it before?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, climb. Ah, what's she doing? What's she doing?
She climbs up his shoulder.
Oh my god, the dog's like, wait. What?
Oh. It's like, where'd Papa go? Oh my gosh, she's shark attacking the water.
That's just pure.
Yes.
No,
Oh.
does that?
He's eating it. Like, this is the maximum nutrition I will ever get.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Where's he
Going
going?
that way?
Oh my
right.
gosh. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he thinks he's a basketball player. Yeah.
Yes. Look at this man, dude. Oh. Oh my gosh. So much groundhogs. They're hogging the ground. It's a Judah kitty. Oh. Oh! That's I don't know, man. I don't know about that situation.
That dog
Is he spinning a top?
Yeah,
Yes.
he's playing with it.
This man. Yeah.
Anyways,
That's,
as you guys carry on with your day, we had a quite immaculate day.
yes, my day was quite distinguished.
Quite distinguished.
But I hope everybody has an immaculate day. There's going to be a similar video
Tomorrow.
right here up in this corner. That's our recommended video.